Everybody, here's a quick video to show you how to use a ratchet strap. I got my basket for my vehicle right here, and we're going to set up a ratchet going straight across it to show you how to strap things down with it. It's really simple to do. Let's get started. All these ratchets are linked right here below in the description. So before you get started, you're first going to want to look at the actual ratchet. If yours is like this one right here that is all rusted and not moving very well because it's been sitting in the back of the truck getting rained on, this thing's going to need some WD-40 on it to get it going, or even better yet, check that link below and just pick you up a new one. Definitely want one that moves nice and easy like this. All right, first I'm going to take the strap and I'm going to take this hook and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom like that, and I'm going to pull it tight, send it off to the other side. Next, I'm going to take the ratchet, but what I want to do before I hook this on is I want to make sure that this little gap right here, this is the gap that the strap is going to go through. I want it facing straight that way. So I'm just going to ratchet it a couple times, and now it's over here, and that's going to be easy to pull the strap into. Then I'm going to take the hook, go over the side just like that. Next step is super important. The strap that I put here, I want to make sure that there's no twists in it, because those twists can clog the ratchet up and make it very hard to remove it. So I'm going to pull it out just like this. Then when I get to the end, I'm going to take it and we're going to go straight into the ratchet, into that gap that we just opened up. And then pull out the back. And we're going to want to pull it tight. Don't start ratcheting yet. We're pulling this tight. Now that we have that good and tight, we're going to take the ratchet and we're just going to move it up and down. I'm holding it back here, moving this up and down. And that's going to tighten everything down. And that right there is how you use a ratchet strap. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.